Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can add products from Alibaba to Shopify. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for shopify.com. Open the official website and make sure to sign into your account. After signing in, go to the Shopify App Store and search for Alibaba. Now install the app on your account. Sign into your account and the Alibaba store will open in a new tab. Here, search for the product you would like to add, then click on Add to Import List. And in the Import List tab, click on Push to Store. After that, your product will start appearing in your Shopify product list. That's how you can add products from Alibaba to Shopify. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.